So we're here today at Mermaid Court in Rotherhithe. This property is a nice, very nice two-bed property, to be honest. We're about a 10-12 minute walk from Canada Water Station. We are literally next door to the Hilton Hotel, so if getting on the tube is not your thing, there's the ferry from the Hilton that goes over to Canary Wharf and then back up towards London Bridge. So anybody that works in either the city or in Canary Wharf has good options for getting to and from work. A very nice commute up the river every morning would be good. The property comes with underground parking. It's allocated space underground. You also have a communal tennis court that I'll show you in a second. Yeah, I'll go down to the jetty, show you that, and then we'll go inside the property and we'll take a look around. So from the property, which is in this building right here, you kind of come out the front door down to Thames Path. You've got the ferry across the water. So yeah, if you're working in Canary Wharf or in the city, the boat goes up towards London Bridge or straight across to Canary Wharf. You'll see the views from the property in a moment, but this is kind of a slight indication of the kind of view you're going to get. So yeah, we'll go inside and we'll take a look around. So here we are inside the property. We've just gone through the main front door. As you can see, very nice flooring that's throughout the property. This first door on your left, you have a bath shower room. You then come out of that room into here is the second bedroom, good size double, little window out onto the balcony. Master bath, again good size, good quality finish. The current owner has spent a good amount of money on this property. From there you're into the master bedroom. Nice large built-in wardrobes. Big double windows with amazing views up to the city, over to the Shard, all the way around. From the master bedroom, you also get access to the balcony, which is just outside there. So we'll go through into the living room. So as we come through into the large kitchen diner, this room is spectacular, to be honest. I love it. Very good quality kitchen, big breakfast bar, all built-in appliances. So you have a washer dryer, microwave, Siemens appliances, dishwasher, a built-in wine fridge. So as you can see, this is a very nice room. It finishes the flat off very nicely. Then you're out onto the riverside balcony, which has amazing views over to Canary Wharf. Sitting here as an evening, having a nice little drink and relaxing. Very nice. So the ferry that I spoke about is literally from that port there, that goes over to the other side and then up towards London Bridge. again, this property is finished to a very high standard. So there we have it. That is Mermaid Court in Rotherhithe. If you would like any further information in regards to this property, or would like to arrange a viewing, please call our Canada Water office on 020 7101 0236.